Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the first chapter of class 9 geography, that is India's size and location. Let me first inform you that the entire textbook of class 9 geography is based on the fundamentals of physical geography of India. This is a very important part from the point of view of your examination, also from the point of view of the competitive examinations facing different groups of candidates. So let us get started. The overall points that we are going to describe or discuss in this chapter is the position of India or the location of India in Southwest Asian subcontinent as a Southeast Asian subcontinent, and the neighboring countries along with its latitudinal and longitudinal positions. So the first thing that we are going to analyze about Indian location. India is located entirely in the northeastern hemisphere of the world. It is a subcontinent of Asia, and it is the second most populous country as per 2011 census. The population stands at 121.4 crore as per 2011 census. Now, if we talk about the location of India, it is a country through which the Tropic of Cancer passes, dividing it into two parts. One is the tropical part, that is the southern part, and other one is the subtropical part, that is the northern part. So this is the basic overall idea about Indian subcontinent. In the location of Indian subcontinent, if we analyze a little bit closer, first let us look at the latitudinal position of India. I don't have a map presently. We are working on that technology, but you can use it while going through this video. I request all of you to use a political map of India while the discussions are going on in this video, and follow the instructions carefully. So if we talk about the latitudinal extent, latitudes are the lines parallelly drawn to the equator. The position of India ranges from 8 degree 4 minutes northern latitude to 37 degree 6 minutes northern latitude, because India is located completely in the northern hemisphere. The 8 degree 4 minutes northern latitude is located in Kanyakumari, which is the southernmost tip of India, and the 37 degree 6 minutes northern latitude is located in Kashmir region, okay, which is the northernmost region. So this is the latitudinal extent. Similarly, the longitudinal extent ranges from 68 degree 7 minutes eastern longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes eastern longitude. The 68 degree 7 minutes eastern longitude is located at the Rann of Kutch, which is in the Gujarat state. Similarly, the 97 degree 25 minutes eastern longitude is located in the Arunachal Pradesh, which is the easternmost point of Indian subcontinent. Now all these both the longitudes are in the eastern part, because India is completely located in the eastern hemisphere. So don't get confused about this, because many times I have faced students asking that why both these longitudes are eastern or why both the latitudes are northern, because India is completely located in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Okay, Now let us talk about the difference in the time lag. You know, the standard time is of a country is determined on the basis of its standard meridian. And how do we determine the standard meridian? This is by finding out the midpoint of the two longitudes. That is, in our case, it is 68 degree 7 minutes eastern longitude and 97 degree 25 minutes eastern longitude. So if you add the two longitudes and divide it by 2, you will get a near about figure of 82 degree and 30 minutes, which is the standard meridian of India. The 82 degree 30 minutes eastern line is the standard meridian of India. Now, taking this into consideration, you can also find a time lag. Time lag means time ranges between western part and eastern part, westernmost point of India and easternmost point of India. The westernmost point is the Ran of Kutch, which is in the Gujarat state, and the easternmost point is in Arunachal Pradesh. So, how to find this time lag? You need to perform a certain mathematical calculation, very simple. Just subtract the highest longitude, that is 97, the lowest longitude, that is 68 degree 7 minutes eastern longitude, from the highest one, that is 97 degree 25 minutes. You will get somewhat about 29 degree and some minutes, which is taken as round about 30 degrees. 30 degrees is equal to 120 minutes, which is equal to 2 hours. So there is a time lag of 2 hours. That means 120 minutes between the westernmost point and easternmost point of India. This is a popular question. It comes very frequently, that why there is a time lag of 2 hours or 120 minutes between western and eastern parts of India. The next thing that we are going to talk about is the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer line, as you know, it has a value of 23 degree half minute, that is 23.5 degrees. 23 half degree line, northern line, Tropic of Cancer, passes through India, dividing it into two parts. Okay, one part is the tropical part, which lies below to this line, and the other one is the subtropical part, which lies above the Tropic of Cancer line. Now, in India, it passes through 8 different states. What are the states? Let me tell you that. That is Gujarat, starting from Gujarat, the western part. Then comes Rajasthan, then comes Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. So 8 states. Remember this, the Tropic of Cancer, if we closely analyze the map, you will see the Tropic of Cancer line passing through these 8 states. Let me repeat those states again. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Now, this is about the location of Indian subcontinent. Now come to the size. If we talk about the size, you see both in latitudinal terms and in the longitudinal terms, the difference is near about 30 degrees. Okay, if we subtract the highest latitude, the lowest latitude from the highest one, that is from 37 degrees 6 minutes north to 8 degree 4 minutes, you will find a figure that is near about 28 to 29 degrees, which is taken as 30 degree overall, rounded off. Similarly, in longitudinal terms, if we figure it out, you will also get a figure near about 30 degrees. So both 30 degree difference can be found in the length and breadth of this country. Kilometer wise, if we talk about the size, from north to south, that means from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it is 3,225 kilometers apart. Similarly, from west to east, from Gujarat to Arunachal, the distance is about 2,933 kilometers. That means 2,933 kilometers. So this is near about 3,000 kilometers or so, which is why I was talking that both the range is about same, that is 30 degrees, and therefore you can call India as a perfect square, because lengthwise and breadthwise this resembles almost the same, although it appears that the length of the country is greater than the width, but it is not so. Okay, now come to the total area. We have already talked about the kilometer-wise north to south and west to east region of India. Now come to the entire area. India, as you know, has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, and it is the 7th largest country in terms of area in the world. The important fact in this portion is that while we speak of area, we should not get confused between this position of India in terms of population. Population-wise, it is the 2nd largest country, and area-wise, it is the population-wise, it is the 2nd largest country, and area-wise, it is the 7th largest country. Okay, it includes. Let me give you some additional information on this segment. The total land boundary is of India is about 15,200 kilometers land boundary, and the coastal boundary, including the coast of Andaman and Nicobar Island, the coastal boundary is about 7,516 kilometers. Gujarat has the largest coastline, which is about 1,600 kilometers. So you see, what is the advantage of having a long coastline is that you can have a potential marine development. Marine development means you have the potential to grow in sea trading, exports, and develop the sea routes, and so on. This has a this has a great impact on the economy of India. Next, coming to the standard meridian, I have already explained this. That is, the standard meridian of India stands at 82 degree and 30 minutes north. How it is determined, I have already explained. You just need to find out the midpoint or the median, arithmetic median, by adding both the longitudes and dividing it by 2. You will get somewhat a figure of 81 or 82 degree, which is taken as 82 degree 30 minutes east. Okay, how much it is greater than the Greenwich meridian time? That is the question. It is about 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich meridian time. The Greenwich meridian time is taken as 0 degree, and India lies about 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of it. Why ahead? Because it is located in the eastern part of eastern hemisphere of the earth. You know that countries located in the western hemisphere will lie behind the Greenwich meridian time, and the countries located in the eastern hemisphere will lie ahead of the Greenwich meridian time. So India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich meridian time. And this Greenwich meridian time passes through the Mirzapur region of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, like the Greenwich, which passes through the Greenwich London, the standard meridian of India passes through the Mirzapur region of Uttar Pradesh. Now come to the neighboring countries. The neighboring countries, we can find out the neighboring countries by looking at the political map of India. It is very easy. What all you need to do is to divide the location into 4 different parts: the northeast part, northwestern part, southeast part, and the southwestern part. In the northeastern part, if we look at the neighboring countries, we have China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal. Similarly, in the north, to the northwestern part, we have Pakistan and Afghanistan. In the southeastern part, okay, in the eastern part, we have Myanmar. To the southeastern part, we have Sri Lanka and Maldives to the southwest. Okay, so It is quite a simple task. There is no difficulty in finding out the location. Just you need to divide the entire region of South Eastern Asian region into 4 parts: Northeast, Northwest, Southeast, and Southwest. The position. What is the strategic importance of the position of India in the Southeastern region? Now you see, the southern region of Asian continent is a very strategically important region. And from the point of view of Indian subcontinent, India is located in a crucial position where you see it is connected with almost all the important international trade routes and also with the ports. Through air routes also, it is connected to the European continent, countries, to the American countries, you see, and also to the Middle East region. So the position of India is strategically very important. It is beneficial from the point of view of trade and commerce also. The economy is privileged to have the Indian location placed properly in the southeastern region. Now, it is the country that is named, that has named the entire ocean according to its name, that is the Indian Ocean that you know. It is located to the south of the Indian subcontinent. And due to Indian Ocean also, we have climatic benefits also, that is the monsoon factor is greatly and deeply influenced by the presence of Indian Ocean. How we are privileged to have Indian Ocean to the south, that is a different topic. We will analyze it in the 4th chapter, that is the climate chapter. But you just understand the strategic location of India is very important from the point of view of its economy, of its climate, of its geology, and so much other factors. So I hope you have all understood the concepts. In case of any doubt, you can just comment it. I am sure I'll reply you. And please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.